Here's a snapshot of the current climate for doing business. 96% of all companies fail within 10 years. A directorship changes every 32 seconds. A company changes control every 15 minutes. 26,000 new products and brands are introduced every year. 74% of consumers buy outside their favorite brands. 16% to 30% of consumers change brand loyalty in one evening of watching commercials. 29% of consumers do not read a newspaper. Our corporation fails every 3 minutes. पिछले 14 सालों के हमारे वर्क एक्सपीरियंस से हमने देखा है कि द एवरेज कॉस्ट ऑफ गेटिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ क्लाइंट हैज वर्चुअली ट्रिपल्ड। मतलब अगर 14 साल पहले आपको 10,000 लगते थे टू गेट इन फ्रंट ऑफ अ क्लाइंट, तो आज आपको 30,000 लग सकते हैं। हर एडवर्टाइजिंग मीडियम जैसे कि टेलीविजन, रेडियो और न्यूज़पेपर के रेट लगातार बढ़ रहे हैं। वहीं द पेनिट्रेशन ऑफ एवरी वन ऑफ दोस व्हीकल्स हैज डिक्रीज्ड। टीवी और रेडियो की चॉइसेस लगातार बढ़ती जा रही हैं, जिसकी वजह से जो लार्जर ऑडियंस अब तक एक जगह पर मिल जाती थी, अब वो स्कैटर्ड है अमंग हंड्रेड्स ऑफ मीडिया चैनल्स। Amazon प्राइम और Netflix जैसे ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म्स की वजह से अब कंज्यूमर्स के लिए कमर्शियल्स अवॉइड करना भी मुमकिन है। मतलब साफ है, कंज्यूमर तक पहुंचना अब और मुश्किल होता जा रहा है। And the market that you are in has become fiercely and viciously competitive. Does anyone think it's going to get any easier? Hello friends, हम हैं Indian Design League, wherein we help experts and entrepreneurs to turn their specialized knowledge, talents and abilities into a career and business that works, so that they can live a lifestyle that they want and achieve peace of mind, financial freedom and a career for life. The level of information that each of us is subject to every day is staggering. हमारे पास टीवी, रेडियो, न्यूज़पेपर, ईमेल, व्हाट्सएप, टेक्स्ट, सोशल मीडिया, एडवर्टाइजिंग सब जगह, इनफैक्ट एयरलाइन के सीट बैक ट्रे में भी है। The volume of information and data is only expanding and will continue to do so. और ऐसे ही लगातार मार्केटिंग मैसेजेस भी बढ़ते रहेंगे। Of course, our ability to absorb and comprehend these messages has not expanded. इसका मतलब ये है कि we are all working harder and harder to filter out these messages. हम as a customer भी इन messages को avoid करते हैं। हम टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल करके इन्हीं messages को filter करने की कोशिश करते हैं and then we simply ignore most of the stuff that slip through those filters. The fog of war, military इस term को use करती है। As a business person or marketer, you are competing in an environment that we call communication fog. You have to find some way to cut through that fog or your career and business will perish. It's that simple. आप सिर्फ एक सेल्सी मैसेज पे डिपेंडेंट नहीं हो सकते। इंस्टेड आपको चाहिए सीरीज ऑफ वैल्यू ओरिएंटेड कम्युनिकेशन। सिर्फ एक सिंगल कम्युनिकेशन के जरिए ही आप अपनी बात नहीं रख सकते। You need a sequence of communications that build upon each other. Think about Harry Potter books. Which book release got more attention? The first book or the final book? जवाब है the final book, क्योंकि हर बुक ने इन सीक्वेंस ज्यादा से ज्यादा अटेंशन और फैंस ग्रैब किए and those fans were rapidly anticipating each new book in the series. शुरुआत करने से पहले we need to share something that might seem a little backward at first, but it is one of the keys to sharing and monetizing your creativity and your marketing message. As you know, the world is filled with experts who are broke, people with advice and opinions, and no one listening to them. जब पहली बार हमारे फाउंडर एंड चेयरमैन अमित जी ने उनकी जर्नी की शुरुआत की थी in 2005, he realized that if he was going to succeed, he needed to focus first on building an audience of people with whom he could share his message with. Only thing, he wasn't sure where to go or how to do that. इसके लिए अमित ने हिस्टोरिकल फिगर्स पढ़ना शुरू कर दिया। People who have built huge audiences, raving fans and caused big changes. जितने examples उन्होंने देखे, the more patterns he noticed. It didn't matter if he was studying Mahatma Gandhi or Sanatan Dhar. सभी एग्जाम्पल्स जो उन्होंने पढ़े had three things in common that helped them build a mass movement. Number 1, they each had a charismatic leader or an attractive character. The key is to understand that the people will follow you because you have completed the journey they are on right now and then want the result you have already achieved. They want to become like you. Each of them focused on a future-based cause that was bigger than themselves. You want to create an offering that will complement the other players in your market, not compete with them. If you do this correctly, all your big competitors will almost instantly become your best partners. Number 3, they each offered their audience a new opportunity. Our job as expert and leader is to bring people to higher ground and move them from where they are to where they want to be. After noticing this pattern, Amit dug deeper into each of these three things to reverse engineering what was happening and figured out why it worked. What he discovered was fascinating. और जैसे ही उन्हें लगा कि he understood what worked, उनकी टीम और उन्होंने इन प्रिंसिपल्स को अपनी ऑडियंस पर अप्लाई किया at his other EdTech Vocational Training Academy and Indian Design League. Then magic happened. Because we watched as people quickly transformed from mere followers into true fans, raving fans. 2008 में वायट के एडिटर केविन केली ने एक आर्टिकल लिखा था 1000 True Fans. इस आर्टिकल में उन्होंने कहा, A creator such as an artist, musician, photographer, craftsperson, performer, animator, fashion designer, interior designer, video maker, event manager, life coach, career coach, business coach, entrepreneur or author. In other words, anyone producing works of art need to acquire only 1000 true fans to make a living. A true fan is defined as someone who will purchase anything and everything you produce. They will drive 200 kilometers to see you sing. They will buy the super deluxe reissued high-res box set of your stuff, चाहे उनके पास low-res version भी available क्यों ना हो. They have a Google alert set for your name. वो आपके programs और offerings पर time invest करते हैं. They have you sign their copies. They buy the t-shirt and the mug and the hat. They can't wait till you issue your next work. They are true fans. ये वीडियो आपको बताएगा how to create these raving fans, how to build your true following and how you can define your marketing strategy. At Indian Design League, we are consciously creating a culture of true fans, and this video will show you how you can as well start from scratch and create a vehicle of change for your career and business. High performance influencer training modules will build your career and your business fast. Whether you have already got a business or you are itching to start one, this is a recipe for getting more traction. Zara सोचिए, what if you could create such powerful positioning in your market that you all but eliminated your competition? And you could do all that no matter how humble your business or budget. There is a process, a framework that can get you there. We have created एक ऐसा framework जो पिछले 14 सालों से काम कर रहा है और आज हम ये आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं. There is no theory in this training. Everything we are going to teach you is based on real world results. This formula was created through trial and error, testing and hard-won experience. इसकी वजह से हमने अपनी training programs तैयार किए, जिसकी वजह से we helped thousands of our students in the past 14 plus years during our journey as an EdTech Vocational Training Academy. But it's not all about us and our success. जरूरी ये है कि हमारे 13,000 से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स और क्लाइंट्स ने काफी नॉलेज गेन की है. आज आप भी वो नॉलेज और विजडम गेन करेंगे through this comprehensive video and become a highly paid expert and achieve name, fame and money. We believe that experts and entrepreneurs are the future of humanity. They are the ones who are driving human progress, creating jobs and building real value in the world. यही वजह है कि we are so passionate about our academy. It's all about helping experts and entrepreneurs. यकीन मानिए, आज का टाइम डिजिटल स्पेस में एंटरप्रेन्योरियल ग्रोथ और अपॉर्चुनिटीज के लिए बेस्ट टाइम है. It's never been easier to get started, and it's never been easier to grow our business online. The ability to reach tightly niched markets on a global basis is simply unprecedented. Of course, that's not to say that it's easy. इसके पीछे बहुत मेहनत होगी, जैसा हर accomplishment में होती है. This is definitely not a get-rich-quick training program. लेकिन हाँ, इस फॉर्मूले ने हमेशा काम किया है. It is the roadmap to a fast start for your career and business. After all, if you are going to put in the work, it's nice to know that you are using a proven, tested system. The results have been staggering. जब अमित ने अपनी अकेडमी की शुरुआत की from the humblest beginnings imaginable और आज he has grown on to do 9-figure plus in revenues year after year every year. And more to the point, his students and clients have become highly paid experts and have been able to make a mark in the industry for themselves. So here, we are going to speak to you about exactly how you can do this and how you can define your marketing strategy through a powerful framework. BVVVVSUDV, what the heck is that? ये इक्वेशन है हर मार्केटिंग के लिए. Even when you are marketing as a fashion designer, as an interior designer, as an event manager, as an expert, as an educationalist, as an entrepreneur. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? Well, each of these obviously is an acronym and it stands for something. Value, 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 sell, upsell, downsell, value. This is the essence of all of your marketing campaigns as an expert. You add value to your customer. You add value again. You add value again. That's 6 times that you send out usually what we call value-based content pieces. Maybe it's 6 free videos that adds value to them. Does not sell, does not make an offer. Maybe it's 6 free newsletters, 6 free MP3s or webinars or Facebook live sessions. Whatever it is for you, but 6 content pieces where you are teaching them something. Adding value, disseminating content to them and adding value in their life, career and business. Success का framework ही यही है that you start off teaching people about the opportunity for change and transformation. उसके बाद you follow that up with some solid teaching and you show the transformation or change. Finally, you give the ownership experience और यहाँ से आप अपने products और उनके impact की तरफ conversation move कर सकते हैं. As a golden rule, you should give your best advice and ideas away for free. जी हाँ, for free. हम ये नहीं कह रहे कि आप अपना सारा कंटेंट फ्री में दे दीजिए, but rather to give your best ideas away for free. We often tell our students to lead with their best work because you often don't get another chance to prove your value. In your efforts, you should be putting out your best and highest quality content upfront. आसान शब्दों में, अगर लोगों को आपसे फ्री और incredible inputs, products या services मिल रही हैं, then they will be more likely and willing to buy your other products. They think, gosh, if this is the caliber of stuff this person gives away for free, then the stuff they are selling must be exceptional. इसके बाद the sell is easy क्योंकि इसके बाद आप कहेंगे, hey, if you like these 6 things, you'd like this other thing I got to sell. And then after they hit click and add to cart, then you might upsell another program, meaning charge more for something. Ask them to buy another component that's more expensive. Then you might downsell. Well, if you didn't like that upsell, you might like this downsell, this thing that is least expensive. Then the next day, you need to add value to them again or the next week. Or you need to add value to the whole list of people who didn't buy. But you need to return to value, that's the point. Well, people often say, wait a minute, now selling up, selling down. People don't really like that part and they get all worked up about it. कभी आपने Dell computer online खरीदा है या फिर Amazon से कुछ purchase किया है? Well, all retailers do that. When you buy one thing, they say, hey, you bought this. Would you also like to add this to your cart? That's an upsell or a downsell. You should be doing the same thing depending on your campaign and what you want to get across. इंडियन डिजाइन लीग के लिए हमने जब एनरोलमेंट फॉर ऑनलाइन प्रोग्राम्स शुरू किए तो हियर्स व्हाट वी डिड, वैल्यू 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 वैल्यू। ना हमने डाउनसेल किया ना अपसेल। We just wanted to get people into it and add value to them immediately. We probably left an easy $500 crore revenue on the table by not doing upsells and downsells, but we are trying to reset the industry right now because it's been too salesy. A lot of people do, instead of the value, 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 sell, upsell, downsell, value, they just do sell, 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 and we need to get away from that. We just wanted to move to the model that we did. If you watch the Indian Design League value video series, we are doing 6 videos, and then if you want to continue on your journey with us, we are going to offer you a comprehensive training program via a sales video, and that's all that it is. So it's 6 videos. People often say, well, what should be in these videos? And at a high level, we will tell you what these Indian Design League's HPI's videos were. जो हमने पहले वीडियो रिलीज किया था वो था प्लान वीडियो, जिसने आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी दिखाई। हमने बात की लाइफ बियॉन्ड कंफर्ट जोन की एंड हाउ नॉलेज इज पोटेंशियल पावर एंड अनलेस यू टेक एक्शन इट वोंट हेल्प यू। हमने ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेस वर्सेस ऑनलाइन बिजनेस की बात की और साथ की द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ टेकिंग योर करियर एंड बिजनेस ऑनलाइन। वी आल्सो स्पोक अबाउट वर्किंग स्मार्टर एंड नॉट हार्डर in the new economy, how you can all step your best foot forward and enter the digital world easily, and how you can get paid for it. And we also spoke about the way that you can become a high performance influencer. हमने आपको वो रास्ता दिखाया to becoming a highly paid expert and make a 8 to 9 figure plus business in any industry. And then say, wow, that's the opportunity, what we call the plan. You need to show them the big picture. जब भी आप कुछ ऑफर करते हैं फॉर सेल, इन दैट फर्स्ट कंटेंट पीस आपको इंडस्ट्री की बात करनी चाहिए एंड द अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड शो देम हाउ दे कैन मेक अ लिविंग डूइंग इट. Or if you are not in the money making business, you want to show them how they can change their life. Basically, it's painting the dream picture, the opportunity or the big dream. That's the first content piece you might send out as an example. The second piece that we sent out was the plan. ये education based marketing के बारे में था and how you can add massive value in your prospective client's life simultaneously out teaching your competition. The second value video was called The Art of Starting, जिसमें we shared with you a powerful strategy जो कि आप अपनी इंडस्ट्री में implement कर सकते हैं. Then we showed how you can build raving fans, and we also revealed our case study as to how we are doing it here at Indian Design League. So what are we doing? हमने आपको opportunity दिखाई, we are showing you the plan, and we are showing you case studies. And then the third thing we released is what we call a tangible concept or a tool. इस वीडियो ने आपको बताया how you can craft a beautiful style statement, also known as an elevator pitch, and why mission statements are boring and must be eliminated from your pitches. That was the style of the video, giving you something that you can go and do immediately. The reason we do that is we want you to say, hey, I can do this. The next thing we are doing today in this video is teaching you how you can define your marketing strategy using the very powerful framework VVVVVSUDV, which is a comprehensive marketing framework and what marketing mastery ultimately boils down to. It shall help you to understand the bigger picture. इससे आपकी ऑडियंस के जितने भी ऑब्जेक्शंस हो सकते हैं वो आसानी से ओवरकम हो जाएंगे. And then we continue adding more massive value in your life in our forthcoming videos. After adding enough value through the 6 value videos, then we shall come to the next video and offer you our program, High Performance Influencer, and ask you to enroll if you so desire. It says, hey, if you liked all these value videos, then this thing, Indian Design League's High Performance Influencer, will blow your mind. That's an example of this series in action. For you, and we know it might be weird because maybe you have enrolled in Indian Design League's High Performance Influencer Elite Online Training Program, or you may decide to enroll at a later stage. When you have done that, obviously it might be weird, क्योंकि यहाँ मैं आपको पर्दे के पीछे की बातें बता रही हूँ. This is what you are paying for. You want to know well how do experts market? That's how we marketed our comprehensive high performance influencer elite training program. हमने बहुत सारे values add की हैं and then we said if you like that we got this another thing and that's literally how you market as an expert. Value, 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 sell, upsell, downsell, value. Upselling and downselling, उसकी क्या philosophy है? Our philosophy on upselling or downselling basically comes down to being we don't think that people should be doing too much upselling, downselling anymore. We think people are tired of it. इसके लिए recent button दबाना जरूरी है. We can do more of adding value. हमें बहुत सारे लोगों ने बोला from around the country. Hundreds of thousands of people saw these videos and we got hundreds of comments of people saying, I cannot believe that you gave away those things for free. Literally, we've had people offer to pay us just for these videos. Why then? Because the value is so good. Why did we have so many sales and so many sign-ups? Why do we sell all our programs and enrolls hundreds and thousands of students? Because of the value upfront is good. सच ये है कि people buy or they don't buy, we are fine. हमें पता है कि जिन लोगों ने enroll किया है, they are committed to taking the next step. We know they are committed to mastery. We know they are really committed to succeeding in the industry. और जिन लोगों ने enroll नहीं भी किया, maybe they are in place they can't, or maybe they are in a place where they are just not ready yet. We are okay with that, but we know that we serve them. People often say, well, how can you charge so much money? Because हमें पता है we are giving away so much free value and content, it's changing people's life. And the ones who take the next step, those are the ones who are committed. Those are the ones who succeed. And those are the ones who will hopefully follow in our footsteps or exceed us beyond measure. That's where you focus as an expert. So we hope those big concepts are serving you. ये नॉर्मल से हट के प्रोग्राम है for different kinds of people, from those who have never dreamt of starting a business to those who already have a successful company up and running. It's for hardcore entrepreneurs, the type A go-getters of the business world. उन लोगों के लिए जिन्हें लगता है कि they were born to start, lead and conquer. It's also for less intense small business owners, वो लोग जो शायद type A category को belong नहीं करते, but still have their business at the center of their lives. People who are looking for an edge that'll help them do more, work smarter and kick ass. It's for experts and entrepreneurs who have been till date offering their products and service offerings in a brick and mortar, that is a retail offline setup, and suddenly because of this global pandemic COVID-19 crisis are finding it difficult to sustain and grow their career and business offline in the retail infrastructure modality. ये उन लोगों के लिए भी है जो कि अपनी डे जॉब में अटक गए हैं and they still have dreams. Maybe they like what they do but they don't like their boss, or they recently got fired from their job, or maybe they are just bored. They want to do something they love and get paid for it. Finally, ये उन सभी लोगों के लिए है जिन्होंने कभी भी बिजनेस शुरू करने की हिम्मत नहीं दिखाई. Maybe they don't think they are cut out for it. Maybe they don't think they have the time, money, conviction or clarity to see it through. Maybe they are just afraid of putting themselves on the line. Or maybe they just think business is a dirty word. Whatever the reason, this series is for them too. There's a new reality. आज कोई भी बिजनेस कर सकता है और इनफैक्ट उसे ऑनलाइन ले जा सकता है. आपकी रीच बढ़ाने के लिए सारे टूल्स अवेलेबल हैं. Technology that cost thousands is now just a few bucks or even free. One person can do the job of 2 or 3, or in some cases, an entire department. Stuff that was impossible just a few years ago is simple today. You don't have to work super hard and miserable 60, 80 or 100 hours a week to make it work. 10 to 40 hours a week is plenty. ना आपकी अपनी लाइफ सेविंग्स डालनी है, ना ही बहुत सारा रिस्क लेना है. Starting a business online can provide all the cash flow you need. आपको तो ऑफिस की भी जरूरत नहीं है. Today you can work from home or collaborate with people you have never met, who live thousands of miles away. It's time to rework work. Let's get started. To get started, you should consider creating short articles and sharing it with your friends and family, and creating content videos to be posted on YouTube and Facebook. इससे आप अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों तक पहुंचा पाएंगे और अटेंशन भी अट्रैक्ट कर पाएंगे. Your content can be any advice or how strategies you have about your product or service offering. We would like to recommend you to create and post 10 videos in the next 30 days on YouTube, each video addressing one question from the 10 most frequently asked questions you think your clients can have for you. एक छोटी सी स्टडी शेयर करते हैं एज एन एग्जाम्पल फॉर अ वैल्यू वीडियो सीरीज जो आप अपने पोटेंशियल क्लाइंट्स के लिए क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. मान लीजिए यू आर अ फैशन डिजाइनर एंड यू वांट टू गेट इनटू अ जॉब विद अ एमएनसी, और इवन बेटर यू वांट टू स्टार्ट योर ओन फैशन बुटीक. अब जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हम आपके साथ शेयर कर रहे हैं, दैट शैल हेल्प यू बिग टाइम. Have you ever noticed that what does the salesperson in a retail store invariably say to the incoming customers? He says, "May I help you?" इसका रिस्पॉन्स क्या होता है? वही, "No thanks, I'm just looking." ये रिस्पॉन्स तो आपने सुना ही होगा. आपने शायद खुद भी ये बोला होगा. Of course you have. We all have. In fact, it's a universal phenomena. अब सवाल ये है कि सेल्स पर्सन ऐसा क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछता है when he knows that the customer will respond the way he does. Because if the customer is just looking, the salesperson does not have to do any work. Can you imagine what those few words are costing you or the retailer in this country in lost sales? Here's a solution and a perfect opportunity to use a simple and inexpensive education-based marketing philosophy to increase sales. Hey, hi, how may I help you? की जगह अगर आप ये पूछे, Hi, have you been here before? कस्टमर का रिस्पॉन्स होगा either a yes or no. दोनों ही केसेस में आप कॉन्वर्सेशन आगे ले जा सकते हैं. If the answer is yes, you can say, "Great, we have created a special section for people who have visited us before. Can I escort you there?" If the answer is no, you can say, "Great, we have developed a special section for people who are visiting us for the first time here. Can I escort you there?" देखा आपने कैसे थोड़ी सी ट्रेनिंग और बेटर स्क्रिप्ट की वजह से देयर आर चांसेस दैट द कस्टमर वोंट बी एबल टू इजीली से नो थैंक्स, आई एम जस्ट लुकिंग टू योर सेल्स पर्सन. The past experience of our designer students tells us that by doing this one thing alone, sales will increase between 10 to 16% almost immediately. हाँ, उसके लिए आपको एक स्पेशल सेक्शन जरूर बनाना पड़ेगा to escort your customers in either cases, but that's the easy part and the solution. Can you believe it? A few simple words and sales instantly go up. Not by just a little bit, mind you, but by a considerable amount. Just think, nothing fancy, but the result is guaranteed to put money in your pocket and increase your sales. अब जब आप इस टाइप की वैल्यू वीडियोस बनाएंगे और उन्हें अपने फ्यूचर एम्प्लॉयर या फिर पोटेंशियल क्लाइंट के साथ शेयर करेंगे, then you add massive value in their life and business. You are bound to get the business or job you are seeking for. The takeaway is that the more great content you post and share online, whether articles or videos, the more potential clients finds you. And you also give your audience great information that they can now help you share through their own social media channels. More content out there, more traffic, more money, and exposure for you. Keep learning with Indian Design League.